Here again on another valuable video on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company. We are more than an investment management company. We have a financial department which mission is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple with lucrative opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. Remember, there are two types of income that exist when it comes to investing: capital gains income and passive income. Primarily, we focus on passive income because it's taxed at the lowest bracket of all types of income. There are three types of income that exist that a person can work for. Number one is the ordinary or earned income. That comes from a job. When you have a salary or paycheck and you're exchanging time for money, that is called ordinary income, and it's taxed at the highest bracket, known as earned income. Okay, you have to sell your time. You have to show up to work in order to make that money. Okay, it's very difficult to become wealthy working for earned income. Only about 10% of people in each niche can become high-paying employees, such as big stars in soccer or any other sport or any other field that you may think of. Okay, but it's very hard to become totally free, because even though they have a lot of money, they still have to show up to their job. Okay, so the whole point of building wealth is so that we have freedom. Remember that. That's what we're going, and that's what we're attracting, is freedom, is having the cash flow coming in from our assets that we can decide what to do at any given time. We can travel, we can be anywhere in the world, we can do anything that we please, we can give back to the community, we can focus on our passions and our craft and our purpose in life. Okay, that's what assets will do for us, and that's why it's important to start investing today if you have not yet begun to invest or understand how to invest properly. I want to encourage you to get our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. It has over 500 pages of financial literacy. It's going to help you understand the new rules of money, everything that has to do with wealth, money, and investing, the history of money, how it works today, why today is a currency, right? It's not real money, it's fake money, it's just an idea backed up by confidence. You're going to understand how to utilize debt to minimize taxes all the way to zero by using it to invest for passive income. Right off the back, debt is tax-free because money is created with debt. After 1971, President Nixon separated the gold standard from the US dollar. From that point forward, money became just an idea backed up by confidence. Okay, just monopoly money, is paper money, is fake money, fiat money. It's a currency. So once you grasp the idea that money and the fact that money is debt, then you will begin to treat that differently. So when you have a credit card, when you have a personal loan or business loan, we're going to put that money to work. Debt is money and it's tax-free, okay? That's why it's important to, before you use your own capital that you have, use that capital to raise money to get a loan, because the loan is going to be tax-free. And when we invest that into passive income assets, assets that produce positive cash flow, then we can minimize that income all the way to zero by having the right CPA and following the tax code and the corporate law. Having the right business attorney and the right team is critical when it comes down to building our wealth successfully and having freedom, and as much having to pay zero in taxes legally. It's about being tax-free entities, but you must do it the legal way so that we can keep our freedom. There's no reason to do anything illegal when it comes to building wealth, because we will be jeopardizing the very reward that all entrepreneurs and inside investors get, which is freedom, total freedom. Okay, think about being able to wake up in the best places of the world. You can see right here behind me is Miami Beach. If you want to have a beautiful view, wake up to this every single day. I'm going to show you how to obtain this for free, how to position yourself and your companies and build your asset column with the proper assets that will create positive cash flow and capital gains income in any type of economies. So we don't predict the market, because the market goes up and down. So we just are going to prepare for any type of market that comes our way. And there are different assets that will do great in down economies. In fact, when the economy is crashing and everybody's panicking, we are focusing on investing because that's where we'll find the best opportunities to build our wealth. Okay, so go ahead and download our ebook. We're going to be doing a 30-day challenge. We're going to keep going the entire year actually with these live streams and providing to you the resources and tools and the knowledge that you need in order to begin to build your wealth. Join our community at Master Investor. It's going to change your life. We're going to help you take control of your finances. You're going to make the decisions when it comes down to investing. And if you're a person that is working at a job and you have been saving for many years and you have money in the bank, your job is to invest in your financial education so that you don't blow your money or you don't give your money away to somebody that will invest it for you, and that person is just a salesperson and it's not making the money the way a master investor does through passive income and capital gains income by holding and acquiring or building assets that have intrinsic value and financial integrity. Intrinsic value means that the asset or the business is protected, is registered, it has a trademark, and it has something unique that no other company has. Okay, and financial integrity means that the business or the investment is complete. It means that all the systems are working together simultaneously and in harmony to fulfill the mission of the business. Every business is built to solve a problem in the world. So the question is, what type of problems do we want to solve, right? What are we going to do to provide value into the world? So we must see the world with our mind instead of our eyes and figure out what problems we can solve. And many times today, due to the technology that we have in many companies that are great, we don't have to create the products, we don't have to create the solutions. All we have to do is find the group of people that want the solution that we are promoting, and we connect the company, the source, and the people that want that solution on an automated way that we're going to show you inside of our ebook. And of course, we're going to show you how to make money while you're asleep. Otherwise, it's not really passive income. Otherwise, it's not respecting the rule number one of our company here at Master Investor, which is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard for us. Job number one of an entrepreneur, I said it yesterday, I'm going to repeat it today. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so that you know. But job number one of an entrepreneur is that we must raise capital. That's our job as an entrepreneur. From the front end, from the clients, when we have a product, we need to raise capital. We need to bring in sales, right? Using systems and smart marketing. And of course, from the back end, private investors, banks, we want to use debt. We want to use loans. Even though we have cash flow and we have capital, we first want to turn into debt because debt is tax-free and it's free money. We're using OPM, other people's money, and OPT, other people's time, to become even wealthier and pay less in taxes. They did a study in the United States, and I believe it's around the world, that the number one highest expense humans have are taxes. So if we can take that away from our expenses, then we are already wealthier than the average human being. So tapping into the 1%, begin to change your mindset, because in order for you to have wealth and have passive income, you first need to change the mindset. Change the core values. Unlearn everything that you know about money. If you've been taught that money should be obtained by working hard, in fact, I encourage you to sit down and think how to do less so that we can make more, right? By using systems and using leverage, control, using the bank's money, and begin to build relationships and begin to attract networks that you can put together and capitalize on it. When you get our ebook from our website, you can find them on Amazon, but I suggest you go straight to our website because you have access to a virtual office. You'll be able to create a password, and you can access the virtual office and our products from anywhere around the world. All you need to do is go to our website, log in to your virtual office. You'll be able to download the ebook at any time, right? As many times you want on any device that you want. And also you can read the ebook through our virtual office if you don't want to download it. And access other products. We have other assets that we add into each ebook For example, on the ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, you'll find that we have a mutual agreement which allows us to capitalize on any relationship that we have. Let me give you an example. So I believe we all have done this before. We buy a product from somewhere and we love it so much that we recommend it to everybody that compliments the product on us or asks about a problem that they have, and we tell them, hey, I had that problem too, and about this solution from this company, you should get it because it's amazing, it solved my problem. And then at that moment, that person goes and buys that solution, but you messed out on the money that you ethically should have capitalized on because you recommended that product to them, and that company is willing to give you money because you brought a new client, a new sale, and that sale can turn into a lifetime sale because that customer might continue to buy more products, upgrade to a different product, and continue to do business with that business. So we need to capitalize on those relationships and not leave any money on the table. We must take the percentage that we deserve because we put those people, those entities together to make a transaction and magic happen because of us. So with a mutual agreement, you can give it to the business owner and ask them for a percentage, and you can renew it every year. So everybody that I send your way through my network, I wanted 10%, I wanted 13%, I wanted 20%, whatever is mutual beneficial for both parties, okay? But that will allow you to ethically take all the money that's on the table for you and not leave anything behind, okay? You'll be surprised how much wealthy you will be when you begin to apply this simple concept. So the mutual agreement is universal. You can use it anywhere. All you have to do is add your company name, add the business name, and get a sign. And every time you send somebody over there to their business from your network, you're going to get that percentage. And a lot of times it happens on autopilot. You recommend it, you go to sleep, or you have a blog and you're talking about it and you recommend people to that business, and people start literally buying from that business. You're going to get a commission every time, okay? There are many companies out there that will be happy to give you that percentage. So all you need to do is send traffic their way. They give you the sales pages, the marketing tools. They give you everything that you need in order to have success by promoting their products on autopilot. You don't even need to show up on a video if you don't like to do videos. I'm going to show you how just to use marketing strategies that doesn't require you to use your face. I like to do videos personally because not only I'm the founder of the company and I want to inspire the world to begin investing, to begin taking control over the finances, to understand financial education so that their financial IQ rises, their financial intelligence grow, and we can solve financial problems, and we don't need to give our money away for some sales guru that will invest the money in fake assets that don't put any money into our pocket. So if you want to learn the new rules of money, if you want to learn how to create money from home, how to have a view like this, how to live on the beaches of the world, and how to obtain everything for free, you need to have the wealthy mindset. So download our ebook, go to our website right now, link in the description, and let me know if this video is valuable to you. Remember, it's all about building networks. That's how you're going to get out of the rat race. If you're at a job that you don't like and you're just there to pay the bills, I have great news for you. You have a way out. You need to invest in your financial education. Download the ebook. It's going to change your life. We're changing people's lives around the world, and I look forward to changing your life just from this amazing video that you're watching right here that is full of value, because I'm encouraging you to become wealthier, to have more freedom in your life, to live through purpose, to figure out your passions in life, and figure out what you want to solve in the world, what type of problems you want to solve. And inside the ebook, you're going to have resources, tools, websites where you can find out companies where they're offering you a percentage every time that person buys from them. So sometimes it's a membership, and it's over and over again that they buy throughout the entire year. So that's passive income that is coming in for you while you're sleeping, all right? I hope that you enjoyed this beautiful, beautiful view of Miami right here. Look at the people on the jet skis. I'm about to go to the beach myself, get a workout, meet with some people, network. It's all about getting out there, confronting life, and taking massive action, all right? I'll see you inside of our inner circle. If you want to learn how to make sales on autopilot, how to create sales while you're asleep, then you need to read our ebook. You're going to need 3 things. Our ebook, that's number 1, but you're going to need 3 things. You're going to have a capture page or landing page to collect emails from visitors and offer something for free. I'm going to show you how to do that inside of the ebook. It's going to explain everything. Number 2, you need an email autoresponder that will collect all those emails that are coming in through that capture page, and it's going to place them in one list. You can have different lists and as many people as you want on that list. So those are networks. And then once we have those people in that list, we can communicate with them with an email campaign that is done on autopilot. We can copy and paste. We can create our own email campaign, and we can say, okay, this one is going to go on Monday, this one's going to go on Wednesday, this one's going to go on Friday, this one's going to go on Sunday, and each email will have a call of action. We'll have the link for them to go ahead and purchase a solution. We are going to educate them about the solution, which they opt in to find out more about because they have a problem. There are 2 types of people that are on the internet: people that seek information and people that have a problem and they're looking for the solution of their problem. So we're going to give them the information, educate them, provide value to them, communicate with them over and over again until they decide to go ahead and purchase. A lot of people will find our information and they will purchase the very second that they find us. So we have really hot traffic, which the traffic is ready to go ahead and purchase a solution, and we have the not so hot traffic that are interested in learning more about the information that we have, and then eventually they will go ahead and make the purchase from us. But it's important that we have an email autoresponder, and it will allow us to also tweak our marketing messages to them because it will give us a report of our analytics. How many people opened the email, if our subject line was great, if we need to tweak that so that we get more eyeballs looking at our emails, and also how many people click the call of action inside the emails, which we invent the calls of action so that they can go ahead and purchase from the products that we are offering, all right? And then the third thing is targeted traffic. We need to invest in marketing. We have Google ads, we have Facebook ads, we have all the social media platforms offer advertisements. So we need to find the group of people that already are interested in buying that product, and I'm going to show you how to do that also organically, because we can have a blog and we can find forums or groups of people talking about the interest of the product that we are offering. Okay, so if we're selling health, if we're selling meditation, if we're selling anything, we're going to find a group of people, a forum that are talking about that. We can go ahead and answer questions, and organically we can get people from that forum to go ahead and buy. But the best way to do it is through marketing. So once we're getting those first sales on autopilot, we need to reinvest and use that to get more targeted traffic so that we can scale up our business, all right? And it's all about building our asset column. Also, when you download our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, you're going to have access to not only the mutual agreement, okay, and we also have a blank financial statement, which the foundation of true wealth is in the ability to read our personal financial statement and any business or investment financial statement. We all have a financial statement, and every business or investment has a financial statement too. And it will tell us the real story behind that business or that individual. So learn about your own finances, figure out what is in your asset column, what is in your liability column, what are your expenses today, what type of income you're working for, what is your cash flow, how you manage your cash flow. You're going to learn the essence of becoming truly a wealthy entrepreneur. And that's what we're doing here at Master Investors, to give you the tools and resources. So when you get the ebook today, you're going to have those assets included in there from our website. If you get it from our website, if you just want the ebook, go to Amazon and you can get it there. I suggest you go to our website, because when you enter our website and you go in there and purchase one of our ebooks, we also have another ebook right now. It's called the 10-Year Rules of Money. So get the 10-Year Rules of Money and How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet. But when you get our ebooks right now, you're going to have access to those assets that are included in there. And as we grow our community and we're growing our infrastructure in our company, we're going to continue to add more assets into that ebook. And so you are grandfathered in if you get it right now for a great deal, because in the future it's going to cost more money than it is today. So in a year from now and 10 years from now, you will always have access to all the assets that we're adding into that ebook. So you grandfather in, get a great deal right now. Go to our website, link in the description, and let me know if you have any questions. If you love the video, please give me a like, share this amazing content with other people, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. I'll see you next time. Stay great and wealthy. Bye for now. Thank you for your time.